Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false autopilot lane departure warnings and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, lane departure warnings may trigger even when the vehicle appears centered in its lane and no unintentional drift is felt. Drivers may notice alerts on straight roads, mild curves, or during normal steering corrections. Propulsion, steering, and braking systems remain operational, but unexpected warnings can reduce confidence in driver assistance features. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, sensor configuration, road conditions, and software version rather than indicating a universal lane departure system failure. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves camera-based lane boundary detection. Tesla lane departure warnings rely on visual identification of lane markings. Faded lines, temporary road paint, construction markings, or inconsistent lane edges can reduce detection confidence and cause the system to interpret normal positioning as a lane departure. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, road design, lighting conditions, or recent software updates, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Steering input interpretation and sensitivity behavior has also been reviewed. As a possible contributing factor, small steering corrections or hand pressure on the wheel near lane boundaries could be interpreted as a potential departure in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Environmental and visibility factors further influence system behavior. Shadows, glare, rain, fog, or low contrast between pavement and markings can momentarily affect camera perception and trigger warnings even when the vehicle remains within the lane. Software sensitivity and calibration logic are another documented consideration. Software updates may adjust warning thresholds or detection timing, which can make alerts more frequent in certain driving scenarios until the system fully stabilizes. Road geometry and lane width also play a role. Narrow lanes, merge areas, or subtle curvature can cause brief uncertainty in lane boundary estimation, leading to precautionary alerts. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include ensuring cameras and windshield areas are clean, observing whether alerts occur under specific road or lighting conditions, allowing time for post-update calibration driving, and maintaining attentive supervision during autopilot use. If false warnings persist on well-marked roads, service inspection is recommended to evaluate camera calibration and system diagnostics. Reviewed information indicates that false autopilot lane departure warnings are not universal and often relate to perception confidence, software sensitivity, environmental influences, or roadway characteristics rather than a failure of steering or control systems. In conclusion, Tesla false autopilot lane departure warnings are generally linked to camera-based lane detection behavior, software tuning, environmental conditions, and road design rather than loss of vehicle control. The issue varies by vehicle configuration and driving environment, and driver supervision remains required. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.